Well, the mosquitoes are vicious.
Granny,
Yes, honey.
I want to order your drink.
Okay, what are you going to order me?
Whatever you want. Granny,
Yes.
Granny, order what you want. Granny, order what you want.
Oh, okay. Let's see. I think I'll have a tall glass of ice water with some lemons and limes and strawberries and raspberries in it. She did it. Woohoo! Thank you very much.
And here's your water.
Thank you. Clunk, 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 clunk.
Again, with no running. Like the
Thank you.
delicious.
It was delicious.